Hi everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing well. My name is TracEy and I am your Pampered Chef Consultant here at TracEy's Kitchen and Garden. So welcome and thank you so much for clicking that play button to watch this video right now. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you guys how to make the super easy Betty Crocker chocolate fudge brownies that I'm sure most of you guys have already made at your homes, but maybe you didn't have the right tools, especially from Pampered Chef, to make your experience in the kitchen a little more enjoyable simply by having the right tools at hand. So that is what I am here today to share with you guys, how to make this simple, easy recipe, as well as the tools that I will be using for this recipe. So anyways, without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get baking. So to begin with, looking on the back of the brownie box, you will need Betty Crocker's Favorites brownie mix, 3 tablespoons of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the Pampered Chef product that I use for today's recipe. I use the medium glass mixing bowl, large scoop, mini serving spatula, stainless steel whisk, the tablespoon from the measuring spoon set, stackable cooling rack set, and of course our amazing brownie pan. Step 1. Heat your oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Stir in brownie mix, water, oil, and eggs until well blended. Using your scoop, scoop in your raw ingredients and place it inside of each one of the squares of your brownie pan. Step 3. Place your pan into the oven and set your timer for 20 to 22 minutes. Step 4. Once the timer goes off, use your cake tester to test the brownies to make sure that they're fully baked. Step 5. Remove the brownies from the brownie pan and place them onto the cooling rack. And so there you have it, Betty Crocker Fudge Brownies. They look absolutely delicious. I cannot wait for my family and I to sink our teeth into those. So anyways, that is the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please do not forget to give it a like, a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel here on YouTube or on Instagram or on Facebook, please do not forget to follow, like, subscribe, wherever social media platform you're on. Don't forget to follow me for more recipes coming up ahead. So anyways, everybody, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I will be baking with you guys with Pampered Chef very, very soon. See you guys later. Bye.